The next chapter is ecosystem. Ecosystem. Okay. Ecosystem. First, next chapter is ecosystem. Ecosystem is a branch of biology. Listen, all of you. 10 minutes synopsis for this topic. Ecosystem is a branch of biology that deals with the study of interrelationship between living organisms and its environment, surrounding environment. Okay. The term ecosystem was first given by A.G. Tonsley, a scientist, ecologist. A.G. Tonsley is also given the term ecosystem. Yes or no? Different types of the ecosystem. Some ecosystem are natural ecosystem. Some are artificial ecosystem. Some are man-made ecosystem, students. Different types of the ecosystems. Okay, some are artificial ecosystem, natural ecosystem, man-made ecosystem. Okay, natural ecosystem is forest ecosystem, desert ecosystem. In human welfare. Human welfare. Microbes in human welfare. Okay. You know the microbes? You know the microbes? Different types of microbes. Yes or no? Different types of the microbes. That is also called as bacteria or fungi or protozoans. Different types of the microbes. The microbes are a diverse group of organisms. Half an hour introduction to start marking questions. 10 minutes, 20 minutes discuss marking students. Next to start with questions. Individual questions with answer with synopsis. Complete answer for individual questions. Microbes are a diverse group of organisms. Diverse, different group of organisms. That is either the bacteria or protozoans or fungi, and also certain group of the plant viruses and animal viruses and viroids. You know the viroids? Proteinaceous, infectious, proteinaceous. Okay, sorry. Infectious nucleic acid particles without protein coat is the viroids, and also prions. Prions are the infectious proteinaceous particles without nucleic acid. These are also called as, all these are also a group of, very important group of microbes. Okay. The microbes are first discovered by, okay, the existence of the microbes were first discovered by Antony van Leeuwenhoek. You know the other name? Okay, father of microscope. Okay, father of microscope, Antony van Leeuwenhoek, in the year 1676. And also, very important, another role is also called as, the microbes are present in everywhere, students. In soil, water, and also air, and also inside the body of the plants and animals, and also human beings. Include the body of the human beings. Some microbes are useful to the human beings, and also some microbes are harmful to the human beings. Yes or no? Most of the microbes are economically important. Maximum bacteria or any type of the microbes are useful as well as harmful. That is also called as one of the economic importance. The microbes are used for various purposes. Microbes are used for various purposes, for either in the household products, yes or no? Good example is household product is production of curd from the milk. Second one is also called as in a dough for making a food. You know the dosa and idli, and also used as a bakerist, and also in the production of commercial production of ethanol in beverages industries, and also another one is, okay, microbes are also used in the industrial products. Okay, in a large industry use microbes for the production of various substances, either the chemical substances, production of enzymes, and also production of, okay, bioactive molecules. Some different types of the active molecules. You know, okay, one of the good next, and also the microbes are also used as a sewage treatment. You know the sewage treatment? Microbes are the frogs Masses of bacteria associated with fungal filament to forming a mesh-like structures is also called as, okay, one of the bacteria, aerobic bacteria is also used for actually sewage treatment. Very good. Either the primary treatment, secondary only for use the secondary treatment. Next one is the microbes in, okay, gobar gas production. Microbes in, you know the biogas production, gobar gas, methanogens, you know the methanogens, one of the group of bacteria, methanobacteria, anaerobic bacteria, usually microbes in, especially particularly in the production of biogas. And also very important role in the, especially in the agricultural field, is microbes as a biocontrol agents. Most of the microbes are used as a biocontrol agents. Yes or no, students? You know, one of the important biocontrol agent is also called as, okay, Bacillus thuringiensis. You know, the one of the bacteria is a very important role. Okay, get a rid of butterfly caterpillars, trichoderma, baculoviruses. Yes or no? All these are also very important role in the biocontrol agent. Yes or no, students? And also another one is microbes in biofertilizers. Biofertilizers are the organisms that enrich the nutrient quality of the soil. The most important biofertilizers are, one is a bacteria, second one is cyanobacteria, third one is fungus, especially fungi, mycorrhiza. Members of the genus mycorrhiza is a glomus, GLOMS, glomus, is a most important bacteria used for especially biofertilizers. Okay, these are also one. First one is 1 by 10 minutes. First one is also called as microbes in household products. The most important household product is production of curd from milk. Yes or no? Lactobacillus. Name of the bacteria is Lactobacillus. 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 Some other commonly called as lactic acid bacteria. Lab. What is the meaning of lab? Lactic acid bacteria. Used for the production of actually curd. Used for the production of milk from the curd. Yes or no? Next one is very important role in lab. Lab also play an important role in the nutritional quality of vitamin B12. You know, heard the name vitamin B12? Vitamin B12. Nutritional quality vitamin B12. Yes or no? The most important one. Next one is DOF for making a food. DOF. D-O-U-G-F. DOF for making a food. DOF for making a food. DOF for making a food. Such as the food items. Making a certain food item. The dosa idli is also fermented by using a bacteria. You know, the puffed up appearance of the DOF is used for making a, DOF is used for production of carbon dioxide. ಅಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ದೋಸೆ ಸರಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಾಫ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಪಫ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಪಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅನಾರಬಿಕ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಡಾಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಫುಡ್. ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪಾತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಡಾಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಫುಡ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ certain bacteria is also used in one of the most important microorganisms, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, SACCHARO, Saccharomyces, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, CEREVISIAE, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, used for making a bread. Okay, used for making a bread, especially fermented by using a bakerist. Fermented by using a bakerist. Some type of the microbes are also used to ferment barley to make beer. Yes or no? That is also called as beverages. Some microbes are also used to, okay, actually very important, milks to make cheese. Yes or no? Soya bean to make soya sauce. And also very important, cheese is one of the oldest food item. CHEES, cheese. Cheese is one of the oldest food item. Okay, cheese is one of the oldest food item. Yes or no, students? Okay, used for human beings. Okay, depends upon the flavor, taste and specificity, different types of the cheese are known. One of the most important cheese is also called as large hole in the Swiss cheese. You know the large hole in the Swiss cheese? Large hole in the Swiss cheese. Swiss cheese, large hole in Swiss cheese. Okay, Swiss cheese. Are you heard large hole in the Swiss cheese? Used for, okay, large hole in the Swiss cheese. Okay, used for production of one of the bacteria. Name of the bacteria is Propionibacterium shermani. Next one is Roquefort cheese. Are you heard the name Roquefort cheese? Okay, used for growing a, okay, Penicillium roqueforti fungus. Name of the fungus is Penicillium roqueforti, which is different flavor. Okay, now these are also called as some of the important points, students. Next one is very important. Another one is very important role in the microbes in industrial products. The most important industrial products are beverages. Okay, first one is same similar to that. First one by one. Okay, microbes, chemical, enzyme and also bioactive molecules. You heard the name chemical, enzyme and bioactive molecules. First one is, okay, chemicals. The first one, most important one is also called as, okay, Aspergillus niger. Are you heard the name Aspergillus niger? It is a one type of the fungus. Aspergillus niger, A-S-P-E-R, Aspergillus, G-I-L-L, Aspergillus niger, N-I-G, niger, used for the production of citric acid. Very good, students. Citric acid. Citric, C-I-T-R is used for production of citric acid. Second one is Acidobacter aceti. Acidobacter aceti, acetic acid. Very good. Acidobacter. Acidobacter aceti, A-C-E-T-I, aceti, acetic acid. Acetic acid. Acidobacter aceti, acetic acid. Clostridium botulicum, butyric acid. Yes or no? Lactobacillus, lactic acid. You know, students. Next one is also very important. Another one is also lactic acid. Are you heard the name? Next one is also called as enzymes like lipases. Okay, very important. And first one by one. Lipases used as a detergent formulations and are helpful in removing oily stain from the laundry. Second one is proteases and pectinases are used for clarified by bottled juices. Yes or no, students? Next, another very important one is also called as streptokinase, produced from the streptococcus. Streptokinase is a one enzyme. Streptokinase, produced from the streptococcus. Okay, okay, used for clot buster for removing oily, sir, clot buster, clot buster, C-L-O-T, clot buster, clot. Okay, removing clot from the blood vessel of the patient who have undergone myocardial infarction leading to the heart attack. Heart patients ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಪ್ಟೋಕೈನೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಎಂಜೈಮ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಪ್ಟೋಕಾಕಸ್ ಅಂತ ಎಂಜೈಮ್ ಇಂದ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅನದರ್ ಬಯೋಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್. Bioactive molecule is also called as cyclosporine A. CYCLO, cyclosporine. SPORIN, cyclosporine A. Okay, used as A. Okay, used as immunosuppressive agent in, okay, blood, which one is immunosuppressive agent in organ transplant patient, produced by fungus Trichoderma polysporum. Blood cholesterol lowering agent is Meniscus purpureasis statin. Don't confusion ಆಗಬಾರದು, ಸರಿನಾ? ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇಡ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ cyclosporine A is a immunosuppressive agent. Immunosuppressive agent in organ transplant patient, produced by the fungus, okay, Trichoderma polysporum. Trichoderma polysporum. Trichoderma polysporum. Trichoderma polysporum. It is a one type of the fungus. Trichoderma polysporum. It is a one type of fungus. Clear, students? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? Next one is also very important, statin. STAT, statin, produced by the yeast, but is actually yeast is also fungi, students, but it is a unicellular. But it is a unicellular, heterotrophic, but it is a unicellular. Okay, but not in all fungi is multicellular. Exception of yeast is unicellular. Saccharomyces cerevisiae unicellular. The statin produced by the yeast, name of the yeast is Monoscus purpureasis, MONOSCUS, purpureasis. Monoscus purpureasis, okay, that is used as an, okay, blood cholesterol lowering agent. They act by inhibiting the responsible for the synthesis of cholesterol, or you know the name cholesterol, that is also called as statin. These are very, very important role. Next one is, another one is very important role in sewage treatment. Yes or no? Sewage is a municipal waste produced by every, especially in urban cities. Yes or no? Sewage. The sewage treatment, it is also used in the sewage treatment. Sewage is also treated by two stages. One is also called as primary treatment. Second one is secondary treatment. Primary treatment, filtration and sedimentation. Filtration process and sedimentation process. Next one is the primary effluent is passed into the secondary sewage treatment. Okay, the large aeration tanks. Yes or no? The secondary sewage treatment is also called as, very important, secondary sewage treatment is also called as, secondary treatment is biological treatment because it also uses a certain type of the fungus, or sorry, certain type of microbes. Okay, name of the microbes. Name of the microbes. Microbes is also called as flax. Flax. You know the flax? The masses of bacteria associated with fungal filament to form a mesh-like structure. Mesh-like structure. These are also called as mesh-like structures. Yes or no? These fungi, okay, come very important role in the secondary sewage treatment. Yes or no, students? Secondary sewage treatment. Yes or no, student? Later I will explain. Next one. Another one is also called as, already explained ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು sewage treatment ಆಯಿತು. Next fourth one is also called as microbes in, okay, biogas production. Yes or no? Biogas production. Biogas is produced by certain microbes. Biogas is a mixture of gases produced by microbes. Name of the gases is also called as, first one is methane. Methane. Second one is also called as carbon dioxide. Another one is hydrogen. Okay, mixture of gases produced by the microbial activity which may be used as a fuel. Biogas is used as a fuel. Yes or no, students? Biogas. The most important bacteria used for the production of biogas is also called as methanogens. You know the methanogens is a one type of archaea bacteria present in the gut of the ruminant animals. ಹಸು ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಗಣಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ruminant animals. It produces a biogas. Yes or no, students? It produces a biogas. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ biogas. Okay, this biogas production, okay, this is a technology of the biogas production was first introduced or implemented by two organizations. You know, one of the organization is also called as KVIC. You know the Khadi and Village Industrious Commission, KVIC, Khadi Village Industrious Commission. Another one is IARI, okay, Indian Agricultural Research Institute. Okay, this technology was developed in KVIC, Khadi Village Industrious Commission, and IARI, Indian Agricultural Research Institute. Clear aita? Next one is biocontrol agent. Okay, bacteria is control agent. Okay, biocontrol agents. Okay, bacteria, so totally microbes in biocontrol agent. Biocontrol are the organisms, okay, which control the plant diseases and pest. Plant diseases and pest. Okay, the most important the plant disease or pest is ladybird and dragonfly. Are you heard the name ladybird and dragonfly? Which helps to rid of, okay, first one is aphids and mosquito. Second one is Bacillus thuringiensis. Is actually it is a get a rid of, okay, butterfly caterpillar. Yes or no? It is also available in the sachet. Bacillus thuringiensis, BT, BT, okay, that is also called as Bacillus thuringiensis, one of the important bacteria used to get rid of fly. Yes or no? Next, another, it is available in a sachet, dried spores, mixed up with a water, sprayed onto the vulnerable plants, which get actually rid of a certain type of the larvae. Next one is trichoderma, or explain more. Trichoderma, one of the free living guy, helps to get rid of certain type of the plant pathogens, remove the or plant pathogens. Yes or no? Next one is Belakoo virus. Very important role is Belakoo virus. Belakoo virus. Belakoo virus are a pathogens. Belakoo virus are the pathogens that attack, okay, insects and other arthropoda. Insects and other arthropoda. Majority of the Belakoo viruses are in the genus. Okay, majority of the Belakoo viruses are biocontrol agent, or majority of the Belakoo viruses are a biocontrol agent are in the genus. You know the genus Nucleopoly, Nucleo, Nucleopolyhedrovirus. Hydrovirus. Nucleopolyhedrovirus. Yes or no? These viruses are species specific, narrow spectrum, insecticidal applications. They have no negative impact on plants, fishes, birds, and also animals, including human beings. This is also used as a integrated pest management program, IPM, integrated pest management program, the most important role. Next one is also called as, the last one is bacteria in, okay, biofertilizers. Biofertilizers. Very important. Sir, what is the meaning of biofertilizers? Biofertilizers are the organisms. Bio means life. Fertilizers are the organisms that enrich the nutrient quality of the soil. The most important biofertilizers are, first one is bacteria. Second one is also called as cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria. Third one is also called as fungi. Okay, the bacteria, the most important bacteria are, very important one is also called as rhizobium bacteria, or your name symbiotic association with fungi. Rhizobium bacteria. Bacteria is rhizobium, RHIZOBIUM. Rhizobium bacteria. Next one is also Azotobacter and Azospirillum. Azotobacter, AZOT, Azotobacter, and also another one is Azospirillum, AZOSPIRILLUM, Azospirillum. These are also called as, okay, these are also the nitrogen fixing bacteria, but it is these two are nitrogen fixing soil bacteria, free living bacteria. Symbiotic bacteria, free living bacteria. Next one is cyanobacteria. The most important cyanobacteria are Nostoc, NOST, already studied in the first PUC. Cyanobacteria, most widely distributed photosynthetic bacteria, commonly called as blue-green algae. Yes, sir, no students? Cyanobacteria, Nostoc, Anabina. Another one is also called as Oscillatoria, OSCILLATORIA, Oscillatoria. These are the most important type of the cyanobacteria. The most important type of the fungi is also called mycorrhiza, MYCORRHIZA, mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza is a symbiotic association with other living organisms without the roots of certain seed-bearing plants. Yes or no, students? Nodi, symbiotic association with other plants without the roots of certain seed-bearing plants. The members of the genus Glomus, Glomus forame, Glomus, Glomus forame, mycorrhiza. The fungal symbiont in these association helps in the absorption of phosphorus from the soil and passes it to the plants. Yes or no, students? These are the some of the important. Later I will explain. Okay, very important. These are so cyanobacteria, Nostoc, Anabina, nitrogen fixing bacteria. Some of these organisms which can fix the atmospheric nitrogen in a specialized cells. Atmospheric nitrogen in a specialized cells. The specialized cells is also called as heterocyst, heterocyst, heterocyst. Specialized nitrogen in a heterocyst. Okay, these are also called as very important role. Clear, students? These are also called as some important explanation for important points for particularly this chapter. Did you understand? Yes or no, students? Okay, one by one I will explain detailed explanation for individual questions with synopsis. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸಪರೇಟಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇದೇ ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಟೈಪು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅವರು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸನ್ನು. ಅದರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯಿತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Flock is very important. Flock. Okay. Flock is first option is mesh-like structure formed by the association of bacteria and fungal filament in sewage treatment. Yes or no, students? First option. Nodi. Flocks. Primer. Nodi. Listen all of you. Sir, what is the meaning of flocks? How to formation of flock means the primary effluent from the primary treatment. Primary effluent is passed into the large aeration tank where it is constantly agitated mechanically and air is pumped into it. This allows the vigorous growth of useful microbes into the flocks. Yes or no? What is the meaning of flocks? Flocks is a masses of bacteria associated with fungal filament to form a mesh-like structure. Okay? Yes or no, students? Okay, the large number of the flocks are also formed. It absorbs the organic nutrient in the effluent. What happen? BOD is also reduce or decrease? Reduce or actually increase or decrease? Decrease. That is, what is the meaning of BOD? Biochemical oxygen demand. BOD refers to the amount of organic matter that would be consumed if all the organic matter in 1 liter of water were consumed by bacteria. Yes, sir. Next one. First option is correct. Second wrong is the primary sludge produced by a sewage treatment is a wrong. The effluent from the primary settling tank is wrong. Type of the biofortified food is a wrong. Okay, na? Biofortified food is for strategies for enhancement in food production. Biofortification, vitamin, protein content. Yes, sir, no, students? First one. Second one. Which of the following is put into anaerobic sludge digester into further sewage treatment? Very good, students. Why? Activated sludge. Okay. Once BOD of the, listen all of you, explanation note. Once BOD of the sewage is also reduced, once BOD of the sewage water is reduced, the effluent is passed into the settling tank where the allows the large number of flocks. This is also called as activated sludge. Activated sludge is the correct answer. Clear? Next one. Okay. Floating debris. What is the meaning of floating debris? What is the meaning of floating debris? It is also primary treatment. Remove the floating debris. Okay. Next one. Primary sludge for first primary treatment, primary sludge, students. Next one. Column 1 and column, match the column 1 and column 2. Select the correct option. Select the correct option, students. Which one is the correct option? First one, dragonflies. Actually, biocontrol agent. Next one, Bacillus thuringiensis. Next one is remaining 2 are. One is glomus. Glomus is a biocontrol agent. Another one is Bacillus virus. Actually, biocontrol agent. 2 are all are biocontrol agents. Correct? Dragonfly. Dragonfly is okay. Get rid of mosquitoes. Get rid of mosquitoes. Ladybird get rid of aphids. Aphids. Actually answer kottilla. APHIDS. Aphids na remove madutte. Sir, what is the meaning of aphids andre? Cell sucking insects are also called as aphids. Cell sucking insects. Andre cell suck madutte. Cell alli cell content sucking insect is also called as aphids. Okay na? Next one. Bacillus thuringiensis. Bacillus thuringiensis is also biocontrol agent of Lepidopteran plant pest. The most important example for butterfly caterpillar. Clear? Next one. Glomus. Absorb phosphorus from the soil. Okay, fungal symbiont in these association absorb phosphorus from the soil and passes it to the plants. That is also called as D. Actually, answer is passes. Next one, Belakoo virus. Okay, narrow spectrum insecticidal applications. Nodi, nucleopolyhedrovirus. Okay, these actually nucleopolyhedrovirus. These viruses are species specific narrow spectrum insecticidal applications. Clear aita? Did you understand? Any doubts, students? No, sir. Next question. Next question is match the column 1 and column 2. Select the correct option. Lactobacillus. Already explained madidane. Production of curd. Very good. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Already explained. Bread. Okay, it is also called baker yeast. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is a baker yeast. Unicellular fungi. Next one, aspergillus. Actually space ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Aspergillus niger. Actually space ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ space ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Aspergillus niger citric acid. Acetobacter aceti. Very good, students. Answer is okay. These are also chemicals. Yes or no, students? Lactobacillus, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Aspergillus niger, and also Acetobacter aceti. These are also commercial production ಅಂದರೆ chemical constituents, production of various products. Product is column 2, name of the organism is column 1. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ವಾಯ್ಸು? ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ವಾಯ್ಸು? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ದ ಬಯೋಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಪೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಪೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್? Why? ನೋಡಿ, species specific and symbiotic. This is the correct answer. ನೋಡಿ, biocontrol agent, one of the most important Belakoo virus. Okay, totally all the biocontrol agents are, the viruses are species specific narrow spectrum insecticidal applications. Correct? Okay, but not symbiotic. Symbiotic means mutual cooperation. ಕೊಡೋದು ತಗೊಳೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ. ಅರ್ಥಾತ್ ಸಿಂಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ನೋಡಿ, ರೈಸೋಬಿಯಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ರೂಟ್ ನಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೆಗ್ಯುಮಿನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಲೆಗ್ಯುಮಿನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ರೂಟ್ ಆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಫುಡ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ರೈಸೋಬಿಯಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಏನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿಂಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಅದು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಸಿಂಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, free living and broad spectrum. No, narrow spectrum, always narrow spectrum. Narrow spectrum and symbiotic, no. Totally species specific and inactive non-target organisms. What is the meaning of non-target organism? Write it in one line. They have no negative impact on plants, mammals, birds and fishes. There is no negative. They have no negative impact on. They have no negative impact on. Plants, mammals, birds and fishes. Mammals, birds and fishes. Clear, students? Did you understand? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮೆಥನೋಜನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್. ಮೆಥನೋಜನ್ಸ್, they can be used to produce a biogas. Methanogen is a one type of the bacteria, anaerobic bacteria, methanogen. They found in the rumen of the cattle. Yes sir, 100%. Rumen of the cattle means dung, rich in this one. They grow aerobically. Anaerobically. Yes sir, no? Break down the cellulose rich food. Yes sir, no students? Nodi. Certain bacteria, nodi, introduction nodi, some synopsis points nodi. Certain bacteria which grow anaerobically. Yes or no? Certain bacteria which grow anaerobically, okay, and produces a large amount of methane along with carbon dioxide and hydrogen. H2, carbon dioxide and hydrogen. Carbon dioxide and hydrogen. These bacteria are collectively called as methanobacteria. One such common bacteria is also called as methanogen. Methanogen is also present in the gut of the ruminant animals. Yes or no, students? Very important role in these bacteria play an important role in breakdown of cellulose, because grass is a rich in cellulose content. Yes or no, students? Cellulose is a type of polysaccharide. Breakdown of cellulose, and also play an important role in the nutrition of the cattle. Important role in nutrition of cattle. Clear aita? Did you understand? That is also called as one of the important role in the one. Grow aerobically but not aerobically, anaerobic bacteria. Methanogens are anaerobic bacteria. So that is a reason this C is a wrong statement out of 4. They produce a methane gas, correct. Methane gas is a correct answer. Okay. Composition of the actually biogas is a methane. Methane is minimum 50 to 70% students. Maximum 70%, but totally 50 to 60%, 30 to 40% is carbon dioxide. Only negligible 2 to 8% is hydrogen content. Okay, na? Next one. Which among the pair of the microbes, which pair has both the microbes that can be used as biofertilizers? Already bacteria, rhizobium, azotobacter, azospirillum. Cyanobacteria, Nostoc, Anabina, Acidatoria. Next fungi, mycorrhiza, glomus. Which one is the correct answer? C. Nodi, cyanobacteria and rhizobium, students. First option. Nodi. Aspergillus and rhizopus. Aspergillus is only for chemicals. Aspergillus niger, you know the Aspergillus niger, production of citric acid. It is not actually biofertilizers. Rhizopus, you know the audio heard the name Rhizopus? Rhizopus is also one of the fungus included under the division Phycomycetes. This fungus is, Rhizopus is commonly called as bread mold. Bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread mold. It is a one type of fungus. It is not used for, it is a parasitic fungus. It is a parasite. It is a parasitic fungus, but not, it is actually biofertilizers, parasitic fungus. ನೋಡಿರಬಹುದು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಹಸಿ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಲೇಯರ್ ಕಾಟನ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೂಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು, ಒಂದು ಕಾಟನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ರೈಸೋಪಸ್. Rhizopus is a one type of fungus included under the actually division of the fungus Phycomycetes. It is also called as algal fungi. Algal fungi, A-L-G-A-L, algal fungi. First piece nallu barutte, second piece nallu barutte students. Next one. Rhizobium, Rhizopus agadilla students. Cyanobacteria, Aspergillus, Cyanobacteria agadilla. Okay, good. Cyanobacteria and Rhizobium is a good example. Did you understand clearly? One of the group. Suppose the group is also changed, any group already completely explain all these things. Ella explain ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಯಾವ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಸೇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಅದೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಯೋಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್. Select the correct biocontrol agent. Okay, biocontrol agents are, listen all of you. First one is ladybird and dragonfly. Second one is Bacillus thuringiensis. Next one is trichoderma. Next one is baculovirus. Okay, these are a and nucleopolyhedrovirus. These are a group of biocontrol agents. Correct? Other than, okay, ladybird and dragonfly, remove the or get of rid a. One is aphids and mosquitoes. Bacillus thuringiensis, remove the get or remove the butterfly caterpillar. Yes or no students? Next one is, another one is very important role is also called as another one is actually Trichoderma polysporum. Okay, to remove the pathogens from the plants. Next one is nucleopolyhedrovirus, baculovirus. Plant, it attack the insects and other arthropoda. These are also one group, another group. Which one is the correct answer? C. Trichoderma, baculovirus, Bacillus thuringiensis. Why first is a wrong statement? Nostoc is a biofertilizers. So easily remove. Azospirillum is biofertilizers. Correct? Next one is second option. Tobacco mosaic virus is not a biofertilizers. Okay, it is a tobacco mosaic virus. It is a one type of the virus. It is a pathogenic virus. It caused the disease tobacco mosaic disease in the tobacco plant. Kelidara neevu tobacco plant. First position, it is a one of the virus, RNA virus. RNA is the genetic material. Yes or no? Next one, that is a reason this is a wrong statement. DC is a correct statement, but fourth statement is a wrong because oscillatoria is a biofertilizers, but rhizobium is biofertilizers, trichoderma is biocontrol agent. So that is a reason C is a correct answer. Next one, which of the following can be used as biocontrol agent in the treatment of plant diseases? Treatment of plant diseases is only for trichoderma. Only for trichoderma. Full name is Trichoderma polysporum. Write down, polysporum. Trichoderma polysporum. Trichoderma polysporum. Trichoderma polysporum. Full name is. But lactobacillus, what are the uses of lactobacillus? Production of, yes or no. Next one, there is also household products. Lactobacillus, commonly called lactic acid bacteria. Chlorella, you know the chlorella? Chlorella is a unicellular green algae, rich in protein. It is also used as a food supplement, as in a space travelers. ಗಗನಯಾತ್ರಿಗಳು ಫುಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಸ್ಪೈರುಲಿನಾ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಲೋರಿಲಾ ಕೇಳಿದಿರಾ ನೀವು? ಅವೆರಡನ್ನು ಫುಡ್ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲರ್ಸ್, ಫುಡ್ನ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಕ್ಲೋರಿಲಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪೈರುಲಿನಾ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕ್ಲೋರಿಲಾ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಸೆಲ್ಯುಲರ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಆಲ್ಗೆ. ಯೂನಿಸೆಲ್ಯುಲರ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಆಲ್ಗೆ, ರಿಚ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ರಿಚ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್, ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಫುಡ್ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ even in the space travelers. Addition to this, another one ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, chlorella and spirulina. ಎರಡು ಸಹ ನೋಡಿ, chlorella and spirulina, extra information. Chlorella and spirulina, SPIRILLINA, spirulina. ನೋಡಿ, spirulina and chlorella are the unicellular green algae, rich in protein. Write down points, extra informations. Rich in protein, used as a food supplement even in the space travelers. Extra informations, examination point of view, very important. Next one is anabina. Anabina is also one of the cyanobacteria biofertilizers. Okay, fix the atmospheric nitrogen in a specialized cells. Name of the specialized cell is also called as heterocyst. Specialized cells in a heterocyst. Clear? Any doubt? Clear ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Next question. Big goal in the Swiss cheese. Option, which one is the option C? Okay, big hole in the Swiss cheese is made by, yes or no? Nodi, cheese is very good. Nodi, bacterium producing a large amount of carbon dioxide. Yes or no? Listen all of you. Actually, cheese is one of the oldest food item. Okay, cheese is one of the oldest food items. Certain type of the microbes are also used. Okay, depends upon the specificity, flavor and taste. Different types of the microbes are used in the production of cheese. Large hole in the Swiss cheese are due to the production of large amount of carbon dioxide by the bacteria. Name of the bacteria is Propionibacterium shermani. That is also called as one of the exam. Bacterium, large amount of carbon dioxide is the R. Due to the large amount of carbon dioxide by the bacterium Propionibacterium shermani. Clear? Next one, microorganisms used during which stage of the purification of sewage water? Primary treatment or secondary treatment? Both A and B. Both A and B. Oh, microorganisms are used for primary treatment. Primary treatment only for filtration and sedimentation. Okay, filtration and sedimentation. Remove the grit. Okay, remove the grit and also remove the, okay, yes or no, floating debris are removed by the sequential filtration. Yes or no? But the primary treatment only for in secondary treatment it remove, actually used for bacteria. What type of the aerobic bacteria or anaerobic bacteria? Aerobic bacteria. Name of the bacteria is Phlox. Phlox is a, already first question already over. Phlox is a masses of bacteria associated with fungal filament forming a mesh-like structure. Clear? Did you understand? Next question. Which one of the following alcoholic drinks is produced without distillation? Nodi, actually microbes in industrial product. Nodi, microbes in industrial product, the most important microbes industrial product is, first listen. First one is, I will explain. ಅದನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ fermented beverages. You know the fermented beverages? Certain type of the microbes used by the production of, okay, commercial production of ethanol, okay, especially particularly certain type of the microbe, particularly Saccharomyces cerevisiae, and other type of the yeast are also used. These microbes have been used from time immemorial for the production of beverages, okay, like whiskey, brandy, wine, beer. ನೋಡಿ ನಗ್ತಾದಿರಿ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಬಯಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ವಿಸ್ಕಿ, ಬ್ರಾಂಡಿ, ರಮ್, ಓಕೆ, ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನೋಡಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ actually filtration. Two types, one is with distillation, without distillation, okay, without distillation, only for with distillation and without distillation. Wine and beer are produced without distillation, whereas whiskey, brandy, rum are produced by the, okay, distillation with fermented broth, distillation of the fermented broth is a one of the material. Broth, soup, broth means equivalent word is soup, fermented broth. With distillation, without distillation, wine and beer, okay, whiskey, brandy, rum are produced by the fermentation of, okay, soup, fermentation of broth, okay, that is, which one is the correct answer? Wine and beer, okay, without distillation, wine and beer, with distillation, whiskey, brandy, rum. Yes or no, students? Two types. Which one is the correct answer? A is a correct answer. Next one. Roquefort cheese ripened by using a option Roquefort cheese. Actually, Penicillium roqueforti. Penicillium is bacteria or fungi. You know the penicillium? Penicillium is a fungi or penicillium? Tell me.